Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will look into date function. Now, what does date function do? This function creates a real date by using three normal numbers typed into a separate cell. Okay. And now let's understand this formula with an example. Here we have a list of data, a student's name, and the date of birth. So probably when we import from some other systems, it has come into different columns. So for example, month has come in different column, and day and year. Now using this formula, we can connect these and make a date. So how does this function works? So it's very simple. So just put date equals to date, open bracket. First argument will be our year. So we'll select the year which is in F column, comma. Second argument is month. Month is in D. So I'll select this, comma. And the last is day. So day is coming here. And close the bracket. So see, it has come 2nd Jan 2012. Let's try again. Date, open bracket. First argument year, comma. Second argument is month. Month is here. Select month and day. Yeah, close the bracket. So it has become a date now. Using dates are split in different cells as month, day, and year, and we have using this formula. This has become date, and I can use this as a normal date for any functions or any further calculations. That's all in this video. I hope you like this video. I'll see you next video. Until then, it's bye from Saravanan.